Lakes. The water in most lakes is fresh, not salty. Lakes can be small or very, very big, like the Great Lakes in the US and Canada. Some are so big that they have waves. You often see rivers near lakes. This is because lots of rivers start from lakes and others end in them. Lakes are very important for both people and nature. In Canada, there are many beautiful lakes that people go to for their holidays. They go there to relax, fish, swim, cycle, go boating, and enjoy themselves. In some other countries, lakes are very important for another reason. They supply people with water they can drink. 5 million people in Guadalajara, Mexico, drink the water from Lake Chapala. Many different animals and plants live in and around lakes. Animals include fish, amphibians like the frog that lives on land and in water, reptiles, snakes and lizards, birds, and mammals such as otters and platypuses. Some of the animals that live there are in danger of disappearing, and many lakes have animals that you can't find anywhere else in the world. For example, in Lake Malawi, which is in Africa, there are 500 different types of fish. 496 of these exist nowhere else on Earth. Most lakes are new, but there are 14 lakes which are more than 1 million years old. The oldest lake in the world is Lake Baikal. It flows from southeastern Siberia to northern Mongolia. It is 20 to 30 million years old. Baikal is also the largest freshwater lake in the world and is the deepest lake on Earth. People take water from deep in the lake and drink it. Lake Baikal is very important to the people who live near it. They catch lots of fish like salmon in the lake. There are about 50 types of tasty fish to catch and eat. It is also a very beautiful lake. That is why people call it the Pearl of Siberia. Some of the most famous lakes in the world are the Great Lakes. The largest of them is Lake Superior. It is the fourth largest lake in the world. It has 10% of the world's fresh water and is the cleanest and clearest of the Great Lakes. Lake Superior is on the northern edge of Wisconsin and goes from the Upper Peninsula of Michigan in the US north to Ontario, Canada. It is like a mini freshwater ocean. It is so big that you can't even see the other side of it. Even though lakes are very important to the people and animals that live close to them, they face serious problems. These problems are created because more and more people live near them and pollute them with rubbish and toxic waste. As these problems are mainly created by people, we can do something to help. There are some organizations that help lakes stay clean and healthy. One of them is called the Living Lakes. The Living Lakes is an international organization that helps protect lakes around the world. It tries to make people, countries and non-governmental organizations work together and find solutions to the problems lakes face. We must all try to do what we can to help clean our planet.